I plan to convert this car into a Spyder. The first part starts with the frame. Let's first assemble the chest frame of Spyder. Prepare a symmetrical pair and connect them securely. After flipping over, reserve a position for steering for easy adjustment. Prepare the other two components. Now, put them together. Install the tail components. Okay, our framework assembly is complete. Before assembling the rear wheels, we need to install the power system on the rear wheels first. Install suspension system to make driving more stable. Now the back seat has super strong shock absorption capability. According to the characteristics of Spyder with wide front and narrow back. Install the front wheels and shock absorbers at the root. Spyder has already taken shape. Now we're adding handles and steering rods to him. We can now control the direction of the front wheels. My Spyder is 90% completed. Install the seat board and brakes. Finally, by installing the battery, we can make him run. Now Spyder has been completed.